This may come as a surprise, but yesterday, Mrgrrr, Gabe's dad, did some writing. That shouldn't be a surprise because Mrgrrr doesn't eat every day, Mrgrrr doesn't sleep every day, but I think since I've been 7, Mrgrrr has written every day. It's just part of the requirements for being Gabe's dad and Mrgrrr. I'm looking at the marigolds blooming in Nanny's garden. Thinking about maybe after finishing my cup of coffee. I'm raising a toast to Kristen today. She's the lady that sold me the popcorn at Dairy Queen to give to the good people working the post office. I wrote quite a lengthy review for both Dairy Queen on Commercial Street and the post office, which I think is on Franklin Street. I'm going to be getting very familiar with the street names of Nina very soon because I'm hoping that Hope's mom at WG can make me a poster-sized map of the city of Nina. So when Gabe and I go on adventures on our bikes with Tully on the city bus, well, we're hoping to walk the neighborhood and give some smiles, some waves, and some kindness along the way. It's a peaceful little triangle-shaped backyard. How many people in America can say that their backyard is shaped like a triangle? Not many. One of the charming caveats of living in the Picker Palace. And I saw a picker the size of, there's some big ones right there, but the reason I think the Picker Palace exists is so every other homeowner in Nina can feel good about themselves and their home. That's the silver lining of living in the Picker Palace. Now, I'm not one to bring up dirty laundry, but this trampoline just does not get used anymore. Gabe has no interest in it. Garrison has no interest in it. So someday, hopefully, Mrgrrr will be able to get it over the fence and recycled. But until that time, Mrgrrr is airing his dirty laundry out on the internet for everybody to see. Smells like something. That's not teen spirit. Hopefully, well, the good news is the internet is smell-free. Fair enough. Now, the writings that I wrote yesterday, I wrote to my wife. I wrote in my journals, of course. I wrote those little comments to Dairy Queen and the post office. So those technically could be seen by a lot of people. I told the people at Dairy Queen, the people at corporate need to come and hang out with the good people that run the Dairy Queen on Commercial Street. Because if the world ran like the Dairy Queen on Commercial Street, wow, we'd have a pretty efficient and pretty awesome and pretty happy society, to say the least. But I have an idea. Being trapped in a triangle makes me kind of wish that I had 4 corners to talk about here in my triangle-shaped garden. And maybe, besides the map project that I'm working on, maybe the 4 corners of kindness. It's another idea I have to kind of try to make the city a little bit better. It might be a good one.